Hi, Beth and Jess here for Wine and Define. Today we are going to talk about what do you do when you get served with a complaint for divorce? Do we have to necessarily go to court or can we resolve this matter amicably? So today we're going to tell you a little about that. Beth, why don't you start?
Well, it's a pretty important day when you get served with a complaint for divorce because that marks time. You have 35 days from the day that you're served with the complaint for divorce to answer that complaint. So the clock is ticking and time is tolling. Sitting back and doing nothing or just ignoring it and hoping that it will go away is really not an option.
It's not. It's really bad. But now, Beth, do we have to necessarily go to court? Does it have to be contentious, or can we resolve it amicably?
Well, lots of cases can be resolved amicably. Not every case goes to court. In fact, statistics would say cases that are resolved by a judge in court are about 2 or 3% of all of the cases that are filed. So you're probably in the 97 or 98% of people that can resolve your case without going to court.
Mm-hmm. And what about mediation or arbitration? Are those options once you have a complaint?
Those are options that keep you out of the courtroom, and they're becoming more popular today because you control the timing of your case. You control how much you're going to take off from work in order to get your case done, and you have a much better control over how much you're going to spend on the divorce. When you come for your first consultation, you'll be advised by all of the options that you have, including the court option, to get your case finished.
And what about a four-way settlement conference? What is that? Can you tell us?
That's a pretty common way of getting started to see whether or not you can use one of these other processes to resolve your case in a more amicable fashion. Depending on who you'll be working with, who is your attorney and who is the attorney representing your spouse, this is probably the first option that you'll try to get your case resolved.
Great. Well, I think what we've learned is you'll need an attorney, and we are here to hold your hand when you need it most, before, during, and after divorce. Call us at Delana and Bosch, 973-377-2066. Have a great day.